Yes, guys, girls, listen up. This is the best Poku. This is the best shit. This is the best motherfucking lyrical acrobatic stunt as the Joker has ever pulled out of his fucking tongue, guys. Woo! That's a lot of bullshit. Maar hij is er weer, jongens en meisjes. Joker uit Breda 076. Woo! English this time, motherfuckers. I'm the best motherfucker alive. And I don't care about your motherfucking stage dive, yo. This is the rapper from Breda 076, yo. You don't see me on Netflix, I know. I just wanted to say, I'm the best rapper alive. Nobody can take a dive. Nobody can hit a shot. I'm the best rapper. Give it all you've got. Just go at me with everything you have. You won't be alive for everything that you try. Try me out. Try me out. Any line. Any line. You cannot beat me. I beat you 1,000,000 times. I beat you 1,000,000 times until you're out of your mind. And getting back no matter in life. Yeah, I play them games. I play them games better than everyone else, son. This is the God game. You want to compete with me? I'm at the God level. I'm at the God level, son. I'm at the God level. All you motherfuckers, I'm at the God level. I kill you, all you motherfuckers. I'm at the God level. Talking to me is even out of the question. You question it all, but the answers I'm having, I don't give a fuck about the life that you're having. And I don't give a fuck about the games that you're playing, cause I know that you're always there misbehaving. So let me teach you how. I rap in all languages, it inspires me somehow. Au revoir mon chéri, I'm the greatest legend that has ever lived. Como está, Mahakita? You will never reach any of the feelings I have. So let me teach you about love. Let me teach you about pain. You're just begging for money. You can't even explain in words of rap how you feel today. You don't think about your mom. Is he doing okay? You're only making money moves and not accepting food without any good juice. If some good juice can make you rich today, are you finally feeling okay? Is that the point of all your happiness? Let me tell you, friend, in money is no happiness. So let the joy of the world come together as one as I repeat my existence just on and on. You're nothing compared to me. I'm at the God level, son. I'm at the God level. Ja, jongens. Bedankt voor het kijken. Was weer een leuke rap. En tot de volgende rap. Later. Peace.